Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Like this video, it helps YouTube know that I'm giving you guys great content. So over the holidays, I traveled and I decided to film what I carry in my makeup bag. And guys, if you want to see how I made this particular bag, I have it on my channel already. You guys should go check it out. I'm going to link it down below in the description box so that you guys can check it out. It's not hard to follow and you would love the end product. So in this video, just enjoy how I'm showing you guys all the items that are inside my makeup bag. And yes guys, let's get into it.
Happen. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding.
And guys, that's it. That's what is in my makeup bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this short quick video of what is in my makeup bag. It's basically a pack with me video. Guys, please, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share within and outside your circle. It helps YouTube know that I'm giving great content on this channel. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.